Don't try to be yourself. A man who has eaten something becomes shy. This is Somali proverb. Who is shy dies from hunger. Albanian proverb. If you are too shy to ask, you might lose your way. When you go away, the conversation changes. Malay proverb. Shy woman is worth a city. A shy man is worth a goat. Kurdish proverb. Do you know there are 4 things you should not be shy? The 4 things to change your mindset about being shy. 1. Old clothes because your wishes doesn't define your talent. 2. Simple living because success to be judged by appearance. 4 friends because there is no status in friendship. Old parents because what you see today is because of them. So remember this. Don't be shy to be yourself. Be the way you want to be. Once you master the power of your mind, you will truly understand anything in life is truly achievable, and you need to believe this. So it is time to explore the power of your mind.